Question number 1. Kingdom Planaria includes option A. Algae, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Option B. Algae, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. Option C. Algae, Fungi, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. Option D. Algae, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. Correct answer is algae, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. Natural system of classification was based upon option A. Structural embryology, option B. Cytochemistry, option C. Anatomy, option D. All of these. Correct answer is all of these. Algae are option A. Chlorophyll bearing autotrophs, option B. Simple and thylakoid, option C. Both A and B, option D. Heterotroph. Correct answer is chlorophyll bearing autotrophs and simple and thylakoid. Both options are correct. Algae included unicellular forms like A. Filamentous form like dash and colonial form like dash, like A, B, C referred as option A. Chlamydomonas, B. Volvox, C. Ulothrix. Option B. A. Ulothrix, B. Volvox, C. Chlamydomonas. Option C. A. Volvox, B. Ulothrix, C. Chlamydomonas. Option D. A. Chlamydomonas, B. Ulothrix, C. Volvox. Correct answer is option D. A. Chlamydomonas, B. Ulothrix, C. Volvox. So, algae included unicellular forms like A. Chlamydomonas and filamentous form like Ulothrix and corneal form like Volvox. It is the correct answer. Which of the following group of marine algae is used as food? Option A. Chlamydomonas, Volvox and Laceria. Option B. Propyra, Laminaria and Sagarcusum. Option C. Laminaria and Glaciaria. Option D. Propyra and Chlamydomonas. Correct answer is Propyra, Laminaria and Sagarcusum. Agar, one of the commercial products obtained from red algae, is used. Option A. To grow microbes. Option B. In preparation of ice creams and jellies. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. In sieging textiles and papers. Correct answer is A and B growth. So, agar is one of the commercial food obtained from red algae, is used for to grow microbes and in preparation of ice cream and jellies. Agar-agar is obtained from option A. Chlorella, option B. Spirogyra, option C. Ulothrix and option D. Gelidium. Correct answer is Gelidium. Kelp and Sagarcusum belongs to option A. Green algae, option B. Brown algae, option C. Red algae, option D. Blue-green algae. Correct answer is option B. Brown algae. Kelp and Sagarcusum belongs to brown algae. In brown algae, brown color is due to the presence option A. Carotenoids, option B. Fucoxanthin, option C. Phycoerythrin, option D. Chlorophyll. Correct answer is option B. Fucoxanthin. In brown algae, brown color is due to presence of euxanthin.